shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will...
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica, and in today's video I am going to be cleaning the family room and the kitchen. I will also be sharing with you a few decorating ideas that you might want to use in your own home. So I hope this video brings you a ton of cleaning motivation as well as some decorating inspiration. And let's just get right into this video and start cleaning.
Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep...
So the first thing that I'm going to do is just put things away. I'm going to bring all of the dishes to the sink, kind of get things organized that way first. That way I can just do the dishes, get that over with, and then finish cleaning the rest of the kitchen. I always like to clean the kitchen first because that is always definitely the messiest and definitely takes the longest. So right now the dishwasher is going. So I'm just going to hand wash everything that's in the sink right now. I will dry that and put that away, and then I will finish cleaning up around the rest of the house.
To let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet.
If you're visiting my channel for the very first time today, I would love to say welcome. Thank you so incredibly much for clicking on this video today. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button right now before you forget. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. I upload weekly. I do a ton of decorating videos and some cleaning videos as well.
So you can't hurt me like you did before. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away like a ricochet.
Okay, so today I'm doing something a little bit different. Normally I will clean off my countertops first and then work my way over to the stove. But today I'm going to clean the stovetop off first. It's pretty bad and it needs a good cleaning. And I have 2 cast iron pans sitting in the sink that I do need to wash, and to dry them I turn the heat up super high on the stovetop and then just let the heat dry them. As soon as the water is evaporated, I turn them off and then let them cool. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. How do you clean your cast iron pans? I know I've asked this question before and most of you said no soap. Absolutely not. It will ruin your pans. Some of you said that you've been using soap for years and nothing has changed and your pans have held up really well. I think I've used soap maybe 2 or 3 times. But I have noticed that they do hold up nicer without using soap, and just keep them seasoned really well and just make sure that you dry them on the heat. If you need to re-season them, you just turn the heat up super, super high in your oven, and you can grease them and then put them in your oven. And I'm not sure as far as the time goes, how long you should keep them in there. I know that you can search it online if you're not sure. But that always does the trick, and it just puts like a nice non-stick coating on you. So go ahead and leave down in the comments how you clean your cast iron pans. I am super curious and I would love to know.
It's something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like...
So now I'm just going to remove everything off of my countertops and give my countertops and backsplash a really nice cleaning. And I will be using the same Love Home and Planet multi-purpose cleaner for that. And this is in the Bulgarian Rose and it smells amazing. And I purchased mine at Target.
Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. Every crossing borders, no taking orders, and I like it like that. Even a broken watch is right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was right in every way. For lack of anything better for me to say, hey, I like you like that, yeah, I like you like that.
So a decorating tip that I have for you to use in your kitchen is to buy your own little dish soap dispenser. I purchased this one at Home Goods. It did have a different label on there, and I peeled that off, added my own label. I purchased this dish soap label from Amazon, and I will go ahead and leave a link for you in my description box in case any of you are interested. So as I'm putting my diffuser back, I'm just going to go ahead and get it started right now, and I will be using the lemon essential oil today. I love the way this stuff smells as I'm cleaning. It just smells really fresh and clean. So another tip that I have for you if you are trying to hide cords is to add your kitchen decor. Like if, for instance, like right here, I am trying to hide the cord for my diffuser. So I decided to just stack up some cutting boards here, and you would never know that I'm trying to hide the cord. So before I make my way into the family room, I'm going to quickly clean off this kitchen table in here, and I will be using the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean in the almond scent. I love the way this stuff smells. It smells so good, and it does a really good job at cleaning wood surfaces. So now I'm going to make my way into the family room, and I'm just going to pick up Rocco's dog toys and put those away, and then I will fold up the blankets and put those away as well. And another tip that I have for you if you want to slightly switch your decor around is just switching out something as simple as some throw pillows that you have on the couch. So after you see me straighten up this couch here, I am going to just add something a little bit different. I will add the larger white pillows back on this couch, but I am going to add some smaller white pillows as well. I'm going to take the other two pillows. I'm probably going to put those in my bedroom. But something as simple as just switching out a throw pillow can make a big difference. So now I'm just going to lightly spray my couch with this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Lilac Scented Room Freshener. I actually got this tip from Jessie Christine from her channel. Used to be called Keep Calm and Clean. I'm sure most of you guys know who she is. I absolutely adore her, and I had seen her do this in one of her videos, and I remember doing this a really long time ago, and I'm so glad that I saw her do this because it reminded me to do this in my home. And I just love the way the lilac smells. It smells super fresh, does not ruin your fabrics. At least it never has for me, and it just kind of lingers, and it smells really, really good.
You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking 'cause you're holding it back. Maybe you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me.
So once I've got the whole downstairs vacuumed, I know that you did only see me do the kitchen and the family room, but I did do the whole downstairs. I just did not film all of that. I wanted to kind of focus on these 2 rooms for you today. So once I have that all vacuumed, I'm going to go ahead and mop the floor, and today I will be using the Murphy's oil soap for that. This is definitely one of my favorites. I love this stuff, but I love to switch things around all the time and use different products, but this is definitely one of my favorites.
Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been lost and found. We know. I've been on the ground.
So as I was mopping, I realized that I needed to wipe my trash can down, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I use the Method antibacterial spray for that. This is in a wildflower scent. Not one of my favorites, but I will use this up before I purchase anything else. And I do get asked about my trash can quite a bit, and I purchased it at Walmart.
I'm upside down. Calling again and again. My Hey, where have you been? I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me. We could run.
Well, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation as well as a few decorating ideas. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would love if you went ahead and did that right now before you clicked out. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I will see you all in my next video. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.
Say what you feel. I don't even know